Today we want to make colorful light flare in Photoshop. Open image in Photoshop. Create new layer in layer window. Pick brush tool and right-click on screen for open brush size options. Set brush size on 199 and hardness on 0 for soft brush. Change brush color to any color you want. Click OK. Now left-click on screen and create new layer again for other brush glow light flare. And this time set brush color to white color and click on screen again. Now pick Move tool and check Transparent on Move tool options for change white color size layer. Now push Ctrl and J button for make copy from layer and move brushes to better place. After change size just double click on screen for the active Transparent tool. Click on Show Transform option for deactive. Now select colored brush layer on layer options and change position. Now change layer mode to screen. Change layer size by transform option again and make copy with Alt button and left click and drag. The active transform option. Now go to Layer in menu and New Adjustment Layer, then Hue Saturation. Click OK for Create Saturation Layer. Now you can change color to any colors you want. Change hue for colors and saturation for color concentration. Thanks for watching and subscribe DG Graphic channels.